The building that we see here now it was a dream for us, really. We think it's a stunning building.
The building is exactly how we imagined it to be, which is fantastic. It's nice to get to the end of a project and it still have the character and charm and everything that we wanted to see within the building.
I think it's our 37th year, and we've helped thousands within our years, but we currently help probably around 150 people on an ongoing basis through the City of Leeds who are vulnerable. The numbers of people that we're having together, we became very acutely aware that we needed more space. And we talked about just developing what we had and sticking bolt-ons to the side of this wooden old building. But because of the opportunity, we felt it was right to really think from the ground up.
We've had quite a long relationship with Caring for Life, so we know how they operate, the kind of environment they want to create for their beneficiary. We've got materials like timber and metal and the complexities of how they all go together. And we needed a contractor who was au fait with how that all worked. We'd seen some of Jupiter's past projects. They'd done a very similar building to this one on a similar site. We went out to tender and Jupiter came back with a tender return that was way above and beyond what anybody else sent back. Really professional in the way they presented things, really personable in terms of the meetings on site and understanding what the customer wanted, and resulted in them winning the work.
When we first got the project, Tim had fully developed the plans, and then we take those plans apart, we take that apart, we do the measurements, we work out the contractors we need to support us on the project, we work out what it is that we need to do to deliver it from those drawings, and we develop the programme, we develop everything that we need to move the project forwards. Working with Crag House Farm was absolutely enjoyable. They were really interested in the process.
We didn't want to just kind of say, there's the land, get on with it. We wanted to know through the whole process what was going on. And we were keen to make sure that the relationship between the contractor and the beneficiaries was going to be an appropriate one. And we were really happy with that from the outset, that this was a company that was really going to take on board the sorts of people we were supporting and make sure that there was a good relationship.
The biggest thing their clients want from us is communication.
We certainly kept the clients and end users up to date with any unforeseen issues that we found on site.
We always get challenges on site. Here it was ground conditions.
The strata was lower than was expected, obviously caused some consternation.
Jupiter were really quick to react to that problem to help find a solution that was cost effective.
One of the key things on this project was budget. So any overspend over that budget would mean additional fundraising because it's a Christian charity. So they had an amount of money that was in the pot, so we was trying to ensure that we didn't overspend.
I'm very proud of this one. It's a very collaborative approach to building. Everybody comes away from the process happy. It looks fantastic, and it's just a pleasure to say, you know what, I did that.
We think it's a stunning building, so I certainly think it would be a company we'd be wanting to look at in the future for other projects.
A couple of the people that use the building tapped me on the shoulder and said, Nick, the building is fantastic, we love it, it's our new home.
It's all about the people who are vulnerable. Is there anything we can do that's going to help them more? This building, we believe, does. And that's what Caring for Life's about. It is looking at the needs of those in our city, in our community, and how we can serve them best.